So rolling tape, one, let's go. So it eases your mind when you have a device that is close to being considered unbreakable. Yeah, I really do mean that it's close to being unbreakable. Today I'll be testing out a rock device. Now the question here is, what is a rock device? Let's get into it. So to answer that question, a rock device is an electronic device that is designed to withstand harsh and demanding environments such as high temperature, shock, dust, water, and a lot more. Now that we know what rock devices are, next up is where can these devices be used, or where can you find them frequently. So these devices can be used in construction, manufacturing, logistics, and the military. So from the list of areas I just made mention of, these are places where the regular consumer devices would not function safely. With all that has been said, giving out the definition of rock devices, where they can be used and in comparison to the regular devices, now I will be unboxing the Blackview Active 6. Now this is the Blackview Active 6. It's a tablet which is powered by Android 13, and let's just look at the specs. So it's powered by Android 13. It has a octa-core 1.6 gigahertz chip, has a 13,000 battery, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Front camera is 16 megapixels. Rear camera is 13 megapixels plus VGA. And not forgetting, it has a 1.01 HD display. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Blackview Active 6. So before unboxing this bad boy, this tablet, which is the rugged Active 6 by Blackview, comes around $250 United States dollars. So a link to this product will be within the comment section. Make sure you check it out, and not forgetting that Blackview also does delivery. So I mean, during this rainy period, you can stay at home and get your goodies delivered at your doorsteps. Okay, so we're about to open this device. Let me get that face, because it's a sliding box. And okay, so first peek into the box, this is our tablet. It comes with this screen. Okay, firstly we'll take out the tablet. Here's the front, and we're gonna look at the back. I really love this design. Definitely is giving that construction and tough environments look, because you know it's built tough. It's really built tough. Next, in the box, we see that we have a manual. Here's the manual for clarifications. We have the fast charger along with Type-C cables. Okay, put that in. Next, we have a screwdriver. So this screwdriver can be used to unscrew the handle at the back of the tablet there. I will show that to you shortly. So this is the screwdriver here. Put that in. We have a pin for it's kind of tough to get out of there. We'll have a pin for removing the SIM card and other things, but I will get out of there in a sec. And we also have a USB to Type-C Blackview adapter. So this is it. It comes quite in handy if you like have a USB stick that you want to add on your device for storage, extra storage, or backing up your files. You can access that easily. So not forgetting, this device also comes with a stylus pen here. Let's get into the tablet review. So this actually feels, you know, great within your hand. I made mention of the handle at the back here, as you can see. So this handle here keeps the device safe. So see how it works? It kind of quite sticks to your hand there, and along the stylus pen, you can, you know, just in case if it's wet. So let's take this off, and yeah. So this is it. This is the surface of this device. Now, as I said, it comes quite handy. So currently it's not powered on. Yeah, it's not power long, but today's video is mainly about testing the durability of this device and how you can effectively use it. Yeah, but I love that it comes with this stylus pen, because in case the screen is wet and all that, you can simply use this to, you know, work your way around and do a lot of your work and stuff. It comes with a couple of jacks. Here is the Type-C input. Here it has a SIM card tray as well as a SD card tray. Power button. On this end we have, earpiece jack, power button and volume buttons. Here we have speakers as well on both sides. Now another interesting fact about this device is that it's water resistant, dust resistant and shock resistant. Yeah, I did make mention of that. So one thing about it that we advise people to do is to always, every time that you put in this device in water, make sure all of these ports are closed. None should be left open. All of these should be closed, or else you're gonna have water entering your device. Don't forget that. And yeah, remember I made a mention of this tablet being rugged. So this is a rugged tablet. Now it's shock absorbent, so which means that if you simply take the tablet like this and drop it on the floor, basically there's nothing gonna be wrong with it, because it's designed for that. It's built for that. So you take it and throw it off. But these come in handy only for emergencies. So the next step is the water resistant. So we can start pouring water on this guy. So come on. So here, so just in case if you happen to go out there to work and then you know, get caught by the rain or something, now this can be used in water or anything. I think for up to like 30 minutes within deep waters, but for rain and stuff like that, you really won't have any issues, or you won't have any problems with it, because it's built for that. It is. So right now it's completely wet. As I said, make sure that whenever you're using it on the rain or at the pool side or something, make sure that all of these ports are closed, because you don't want water entering through these points. Now when it's been through this, especially for the speaker part, you're gonna get that muffled sound, right? But don't be worried, it happens like that until the water dries out from it, and you'll be totally good. But other than that, this is it. Now we tested the shock, we tested the water. Well, this is basically it. So make sure you check out this device. Check on the Blackview page. They have this there for the price of 250 USD, as I mentioned before. So get this for your kids, get this for your husbands on the construction site, your brothers, get this for doctors, whatever field that you feel like ordinary devices will be at risk of safety, you can get these for that professional field, for tactics, militaries and all that. It's gonna be totally great and totally fine for them. So this is it. But until next time, it's your boy Jay, and I will see you in the next video.